So on our head units here, so this is for our X series. You'll have some buttons on the side. It could be different on different models. You could have like knobs as well. But like basically, you can come into like settings here, car settings, into like factory settings, type in 126, and we can like learn these again. And the reason they could stop like working is because you've done a factory reset, or like maybe something's gone wrong, or you might just want to change what they do. So you come into key here, and you want to go touch key study, and then you can see on the side here they're all coming in. But for example, if I push the back, you can see so like a short press does back, and like a long press on it does like nothing. So that's how it'll work. So you can see, so this is already done here, but I could clear all these, and I can learn them all again. So home does home and none. Back goes back and none. Obviously a volume up will go volume up and none, volume down, obviously volume down and none, and then obviously power, where you can do power what you like, but normally mute it, and then it's like a long press would actually turn the head unit off. And then save and exit, and you'll see all these are working. Power one mutes it, and then if I touch the power one there, like a long touch, you can see it is turning off. So that is how you can set your side buttons on your radio for our X series head unit.